What's up, you guys? Welcome back to an episode of Sweeterman. You dig what I'm saying? Alright, in today's episode, we're finally going for my appointment at McLaren dealership. So the last week we're supposed to go, but it wasn't that day where the appointment was. So today is the day we're going to be getting the car service, which I'm going to be showing you guys. One more incident that popped up, which I didn't mention in the last video. I just found out just today. So good thing the appointment wasn't last week, so today I'll get to ask them to look at that issue, which I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. Alright, and maybe we'll probably, if we do have time, we'll go see if we can do any car spotting again. Maybe we could find another car at the McLaren's modification center or the tuning shop, which is I guess it's called Path. Yeah, so they do a lot of Audis, McLarens, exotic. They do a lot of stuff. It's like Eurocharge. If you guys don't know what Eurocharge is, it's another tuning shop here in Ontario, or let me say Toronto GTA. You know what I'm saying? Oh yo, let's get on with the episode. Alright? YOLO! Alright, you guys, so the first is gonna be the spider. Sometimes when it goes down, it kind of like relax when it goes down. So that's the main issue that I have with this. I mentioned that the last episode, but that's the main issue I have with it. Okay. Next is the hood lash. So sometimes when I even close the hood lash, it kind of tells me like, oh your hood lash isn't closed, which is closed. I double check and I seal it again. I pop it open, then close it. It doesn't, the message pops up on the screen about the hood lash. So that's that one. And then the one that I just discovered, which I'm going to show you guys just now, it's over here. Perfect. So you guys see, it's kind of like wiggly. It's not like, look at that. You see what I'm saying? So I'm gonna ask them to like tighten it. It's too loose. So this is the most recent one that I just discovered. But nonetheless, everything so far seems to be okay. Engine is good. Everything is good. I didn't even curb my wheels and none of that stuff. What I'm going to be doing soon, I'm going to be changing those tires, those P0s. I'm going to be putting cup 2s on them. So that's what I'm going to be doing in the upcoming, like in the future. So in the upcoming months, let's say. My carbon fiber splitter, still good. Yeah, still good. I went on the rally, or well, not rally, but on an exotic cruise. I didn't damage anything that I know of. Everything seems okay. So yeah, let's carry on and go to McLaren. Alright, YOLO. Alright guys, I did promise y'all I was gonna come by Path. This is Path, where they do all like the tuning shop. There's the tuning shop, right? And they do have a dealership too, which they sell cars in there. But today I'm gonna be showing you guys a 765 LT that I just found. But before I do that, I'll have a Performante here. I believe this Performante just got tuned, so that's why it's here. With the tri-carbon, she's looking nice. I ain't gonna lie. I love this on Performante. This sounds fucking amazing. So yo, this one is a spider. I believe this one, yeah, very nice on the higher settings. Okay. Now, we've got an NSX here. That's fine. We got a Porsche, and we got a C8. And then this is the one I was talking about. So I believe this is brand new 765 LT. I like the spec in this. Light blue, black and red interior with the center seats. This is sick. I believe this just got delivered. So it's probably waiting to get tuned or some shit like that. Damn, this is super nice. The other one we saw, I think he had gold exhaust tip. So this is the second McLaren 765 LT that I'm seeing. So this has been driven quite a bit, as you can tell from there. It's been driven. Nonetheless, it's still looking freaking amazing. I want to get my diffuser like this. Like this is like so aggressive. I like to get my diffuser like that. Like this is sick. You can see the transmission right there at the bottom. Like I'm trying to go. Oh man, that, yeah. Maintenance on this is gonna be really hectic, because as you can see, there's a lot of rock that just goes in there and then just collects It's like a raw collector, and then it goes into that wheel barrel. But nonetheless, hey, we're rich people, so it doesn't matter. And this is McLaren wheels, fucking sick. I like the rims on this, and it has the Endurance 765 LT on it as well. Damn, this is beautiful. And NSX, people wouldn't want to buy this NSX. Reason why? Well, I can't really show you guys the interior because it's so tinted. The interior, like the infotainment system, looks the same as you get on a regular Acura, so that's the main reason people don't want to buy it. But nonetheless, this is fast. And we got an RE8 here. What year is this though? This RE8. This is just a regular RE8, not a V10. And this one is a manual. The gated shifter. So this is a V10, not a V8. Convertible or Spider. So probably this is like the 2000 and I was gonna say 11, but probably not. Let me know what year is this. Leave it down in the comment. Let me know. Beside that, I'm nothing really excited. Beside the 765 LT, and then this 928 GTS, and I like the rims on that S63. It's sweet. And we got more Porsches. We got a Challenger, a Hellcat. Then we got a GTS over there. Then M2, you and me.